Because I've noticed that all the technicians wash out the unit and then they check the charge.
Yeah.
So why is that important?
If your condenser's clogged up, you're going to get incorrect readings on your gauges. It's going to have 3 different pressures, and it's going to be off. And that will be bad news if it says low on refrigerant when it's actually not.
Right. So a simple washout could save you a lot of money and an improper charge, really.
Most often it's safe to err on the safe side and just wash it out beforehand.